Hey, if you cannot charge your CMF Watch Pro, let me show you how we can fix this. So you are charging this watch by putting your charger into this gold pins at the bottom right, into this one. So just be sure that these gold pins are actually without any dirt, any messy, greasy marks or something like this. Just try to clean this with wipe, and also do the same for your charger. So try to gently clean those pins. And if it still doesn't work, try to connect this cable into other power supply. Like for example, if you are always connecting this into charging brick, try to change charging brick, or for example, connect it to your monitor, to your game console, or for example to your PC. If it still doesn't work, there's a big chance that something is wrong with your cable, so probably it is actually broken inside. And you should actually order the new cable for this watch. And if you still have this issue, probably there's something wrong with the watch, so you should actually take advantage of the warranty. And that's all for this video. Please tell me if it works. Right now, please subscribe.